Welcome back to Chemistry Online students. Now in this class, it's a very important class too for all the intermediate students which we are going to face board exam for chemistry. In this class, we are going to discuss Board of Intermediate Model Paper, TS, Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education Model Paper. According to that, you are going to face the question paper in the board exam. So it is very important to know the Board of Intermediate Model Paper. So chemistry. So you know students, in this model paper how the questions are coming from each chapter and what is the marks variation we are going to discuss. That is nothing but a blueprint. Okay, see students, so we have total 13 chapters. One chapter is deleted, that is environmental chemistry. Remaining 12 chapters is given here. So this is the atomic structure to organic chemistry. So I will read each question in the model paper, first very short answers, and then we have to know the question which is coming from the which chapter. The question coming from the which chapter. This is important to know. So through this pattern, by observing this model paper, you may go through your preparation. So first question, what is a lanthanide contraction? Give one example, give one of its consequences. So this is nothing but a periodic table. So from periodic table, you face one very short answer. So it is a very short answer for 2 marks. 2 marks means a VSAQ. Okay. So which of the two ions Ca plus 2 or Zn plus 2 is more stable? Why? It is from chemical bonding. Okay. Next, what is a Boltzmann's constant? Give its value. It is from states of matter. Okay. Calculate the weight of 0.1 mole of sodium carbonate. It is from stoichiometry. Next, what is homogeneous equilibrium? Write two homogeneous reactions. Okay, this is from chemical equilibrium, not kinetics, students. It is chemical equilibrium. Okay, so this is from chemical equilibrium. The question is coming from chemical equilibrium, 2 marks. Okay, next question, question number 6. Lithium salts are mostly hydrated. Why? So it is from S block. So what happens when magnesium burnt in air? It is from S block. Okay, it is from first A, it is from second A. Okay, S block, it is from first A and it is from second A. Okay, 2 very short answers you faced. So diamond has high melting point, explain. So it is from 4th A group elements, students, 2 marks. It is from 4th A group elements, 2 marks. What is the effect of water on tin? That is also 4th A group elements, students, 2 marks. Okay, next, write the structure of neopentane and trichloroethanoic acid. It is from organic chemistry, students, 2 marks. It is from organic chemistry, 2 marks. Okay, so this is the way you may face 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 very short answers from different chapters. Okay, if you want to answer 10 out of 10 very short answers, you have to concentrate these chapters especially. Okay, next we go for short answers. So explain the differences between emission and absorption spectrum. It is from atomic structure. It is a 4 marks. Next, balance the following reaction by ion electron method. It is from stoichiometry, plus 4 marks. Next, write the postulates of kinetic molecular theory of gases. It is from states of matter. Next, see state Boyle's law, Charles' law and Avogadro's law and derive ideal gas equation. It is from states of matter. 4 marks. Okay. Next, chemical analysis of a carbon compound gave the following percentage composition by weight of, this is from stoichiometry. This is from stoichiometry, means 10 marks. Okay, state and explain Hess law of constant heat summation. It is from thermodynamics. It is from thermodynamics. Okay. Next, derive the relation between Kp and Kc for the equilibrium reaction. It is from equilibrium. 4 marks. Okay, students. So, one short answer and one very short answer we faced from equilibrium. Next, what is the conjugate acid base pair? Illustrate with the example. It is from acids and bases. So, what I mean to say, from chemical equilibrium acids and bases you are going to face 10 marks. 4 plus 4 plus from acids and bases 4 marks and equilibrium 4 plus 2. Next, how the hardness of water are removed by Calgon method. It is from hydrogen and its compounds. 4 marks. Okay. What do you understand by allotropy inert pair effect coordination? Allotropy inert pair effect coordination. This is from 14th group elements, means 8 marks you faced from 14th group elements. 8 marks you faced. Okay. Give 2 examples each for position and functional group isomerism. It is from organic chemistry. It is from organic chemistry. So, these are 12 short answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and one more question we missed, where from? Okay. So, conjugate acid by electron deficient compounds AL3L3. This is from 3rd A group elements. So we missed. So 20th question, what all electron deficient compounds is AlCl3 and electron deficient species explain. This is from 13th group element. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 questions out of 12. You have to write only 6. This is for short answers. Next we go for long answers. What are quantum numbers? This is from atomic structure. This is from atomic structure. Next, define IE1 and IE2. So, this is from periodic table. Next, define hybridization. Explain different types of hybridization involved in. This is from chemical bonding. So, first 3 chapters you will get 3 long answers. Next, give 2 methods of preparations of acetylene. How does it react with the water and hydrogen bromide? So, this is from organic chemistry. This is from organic chemistry. So, this is the way you are going to face total 100 marks paper, students. So, here 12 marks from atomic structure, here 10 marks from periodic table, here 10 marks from chemical bonding, here 10 marks from states of matter, here 10 marks from stoichiometry, here 4 marks from thermodynamics, here 10 marks from chemical equilibrium acids and bases. Next, here 4 marks from hydrogen and its compounds. S block elements 4 marks only, and 13th group elements 4 marks only, and 14th group elements 8 marks. 14th group elements 8 marks, and organic chemistry 8 plus 6 nearly 14 marks. Nearly 14 marks. So, this is the way 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 56, 66, 70, 74, 78, 78, 86, 86, 90, 100. Total you are going to face 100 marks paper like this. Total you are going to face 100 marks paper like this. Okay students, so it is very easy to get pass marks for this academic year. Why? Because it is a pandemic year. So Board of Intermediate increased the percentage of choice questions. So 50% choice questions they are giving. So if you read first 2 chapters you will get 22 marks. First 2 chapters you will get 22 marks. Next 2 chapters 42 marks. Means if you concentrate atomic structure, periodic table, states of matter, stoichiometry, nearly have a chance for getting 42 marks. 42 marks. So be careful students, you have to follow this pattern. According to this pattern you may read. If you are trying for 60 out of 60, you must and should put pressure on, see, periodic table, have a chance to get very short, chemical bonding, states of matter, stoichiometry and chemical equilibrium and S block elements and 14th group elements and organic chemistry. These chapters are very important students. Why? Because you are going to face very short answers from these chapters. Okay. So in second section, third section you have more choice. So in first section you don't have choice, means you have to put pressure, you have to put more working hours on first section, then only have a chance for getting 60 out of 60. It is not difficult. You may get, if you work on the chapters, have a chance for getting very short answers. Okay. So this is the pattern you have to follow students. According to my experience, so if you follow this pattern with less hard work, you will get more marks, means that is a 100%. That is a very easy manner. Okay. So this is the TSBIE model paper chemistry first year students. Okay. So this is the way you have to follow. This is serial number and chapter name, and this is the marks variation you are going to get from each chapter. Okay.